What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. Unless you've been living under a rock, I'm assuming you probably have heard of Bitcoin. Now, I have to admit that I heard of Bitcoin a long time ago. Okay, I actually heard of it back when you could buy Bitcoins for like about $2 or $3, and it was a digital curiosity. Nobody really knew about it. Nobody cared. Nobody was interested. Uh, and today I'm kicking myself for not having bought it back then because now they're worth about $48,000 for one Bitcoin. Okay, and they're just going to keep going up in value. It's absolutely insane. But what if I were to tell you that there is something that's relatively unknown today, but which has the potential to make money the same way that Bitcoin made money? Would that be interesting to you? I actually was so excited about this. I've invested myself in this thing. I'm going to show you my investment. It's all coming up in just a moment. It's in my review of Earth Domination Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as last week's New York bagels. They are really rock hard, you know? You wouldn't think they would be, but boy, are they stale. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why I do so you might ask? Well, it's very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Seriously, Bart? Every single day you gotta do that? Do you know how irritating that guy is all the time? Yakety, over and over again. Anyhow, seriously though, if you are new to the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. See, you think I would get angry at Liz because she's the same thing every day also. But like I always say, she's a fellow New Yorker. How can I get angry at a fellow New Yorker? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for Earth Domination Empire. For my friend Alessandro Zamboni. Now, I really like a lot of stuff that Alessandro puts together because he does not do the usual, here's how to drive traffic, here's how to make a list, here's another loophole for YouTube. He comes up with really unique ideas, and this one I am particularly excited about. My cat is excited also. He came by to say hello. This one, I think, really does have the potential to turn into another Bitcoin. And I'm not being hyperbolic about this. I actually invested my own money in this. I'll show you my investment in just a moment. We're going to log into my Earth2 account. I'll show it to you. Basically, the idea was that they created a complete replica of the Earth, a digital replica of the Earth, and you can actually purchase land, digital land, obviously, in Earth2. Now, it's partially a game, kind of like The Sims, but it's also partially an investment platform because you actually, once you purchase a piece of land, if somebody else wants to do anything with it, they got to pay you for it, or they can buy it from you. You can buy and sell the land just like you can buy and sell Bitcoin. Okay, and that's really cool. And I'm going to show you. Let me show you real quick over here. This is the homepage for Earth2. Check these things out. Land in the UK is now going for $11.16 per tile. That's up 1,160% since the game started. Okay. Here, Spain up 6,000%. Okay. For some reason it's not letting me see it. Okay. Here we go. Look at this. The Holy See. This one just blew my mind. Okay. The Holy See, where where Catholicism is based. That's where the Pope lives. Up 23,200 233%. Okay, that just blows my mind. That if you got in right when this thing started, you could have bought the Holy See at 30 cents per plot, and now it's worth $233 per plot. Okay, and the prices keep going up. The value of the land in Earth 2 keeps going up. And like even here in the United States, they don't have it listed here apparently on the homepage, but in the United States, land now goes for like $46 per plot, started off at 30 cents per plot. So there's a lot of places that you can purchase land here. That's really, really cool. Okay. This is the members area, by the way, for the Earth Domination Empire course. Okay, now what Alessandro has done, he's got a couple of bonuses. He's got a map of the big cities, and he's got a map of the best groups to talk about Earth 2, about the best places to buy. What I've actually put together for you is something really, really cool, though. Let me explain to you what Earth 2 is, and I'm going to log into my account in just a second to show you. I actually went and bought into Earth 2 also because I really believe in this. I think this is going to go up. It's going to be insane. So basically, Earth 2, first of all, you can buy land. You can basically purchase the right to any piece of land that physically exists on the Earth. Obviously, you don't actually own the actual land. You own the land inside of Earth 2. It's a digital asset. And so initially, it's just buy and sell land. But they have 3 phases of Earth 2. Phase 2 is going to be where you can actually trade for resources. And that's where my bonus is really, really going to come in for you, because resources like oil, natural gas, gold, silver, copper, you know, all these mines, these are physical assets that do exist here on the actual Earth, and they exist in Earth 2. And basically, if you own these assets, once phase 2 starts and people want to trade for those assets, you can actually make money off of those assets and not just off of buying and selling of land. So I put together a list of places where you can buy these kinds of assets, where you can actually buy the assets of like, you know, the gold and silver mines, places where there are significant deposits of natural gas, of oil and stuff like that. And basically, you can purchase those areas in Earth 2 for cheap right now, hold on to it for a little while, and when you hold on to it for a little while, suddenly it becomes a lot more valuable. Let me log into Earth 2 real quick. I want to show you that I personally have bought into Earth 2 as well, okay? You can see, let me show you right here. I just got into this a couple of days ago, and you can see I've already spent $62 purchasing several plots of land. Now, for right now, most people are buying things that have sentimental value. I bought something that has sentimental value for me, okay? But the fact of the matter is that people are buying, are also able to purchase things that are going to have more commercial value once Earth 2 moves into its second phase. And you can definitely make serious money with this thing. You can see here, this is the marketplace that people are selling land, okay? And you can see how much it costs for these pieces of land that people are selling them for. This literally can make money, okay? You can actually make money from selling stuff. And you can go here to buy land. And let me just show you, for example. So I'm in Brooklyn. So let's say I wanted to purchase the Brooklyn Museum. Okay, most of it is actually, I think, purchased already. All right, but there is some of it. Oh, I guess not. Okay, and basically what I can do is I can go here and select that I want all of this land around the Brooklyn Museum. You can see it's not letting me pick everything because some things have already been spoken for. Okay, but check out how much it costs for this land. $47 per tile. Okay, when I first logged in, by the way, it was $46 per tile, so it's already gone up since I started. And this was 2 days ago when I first logged into Earth 2. It's already gone up in value. The land in New York City, in Brooklyn, New York. It was $46, now it's $47 per tile, and it keeps going up in value. Okay, so this is a way that you can, and you can go to any place you like. I mean, you can literally go and buy land in Antarctica, I think. Okay, for some reason that you wanted to buy land in Antarctica, okay, you can see a lot of people have already bought land in Antarctica. I guess people are very excited about it, but there is some land available. Okay, and if you want to purchase it, it only costs $1.32 for a plot of land in Antarctica, and each plot of land is equal to 100 square meters. 100 square meters. Now, Alessandro's going to show a whole bunch of other really interesting stuff inside of his course on how to really maximize making money off of Earth 2. He's going to really show you everything you need to know. You can see here, again, I purchased land myself. I own, I think about 40 plots of land, something like that, I forget. 140. I have 140 tiles. Okay, so that's what I personally own as in Earth 2. And I intend to hold on to it. I intend to keep buying more land in Earth 2 because I really do believe that this is going to be a money-making opportunity. And so much so that I've put my own money into this. And that's something you don't see a whole lot of people in our industry saying that, yeah, they've actually invested their own money to buy land in Earth 2 because, you know, I believe in this stuff. I really do believe that this has potential. Okay, so you can see here, I just selected this whole area here. If I wanted to purchase it, it will cost me $31. E dollars are equivalent to US dollars, so it's basically $31.75. So, yeah, that's pretty much what there is to see here, but it's a really, really cool program. Places where they just start releasing land start at 30 cents per tile. Okay, and Alessandro's going to teach you the difference between Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 lands. There's a lot of things to know about inside of Earth 2. It's not just go in and buy. There's actually things to know about if you really want to be making money off of Earth 2. There's things to know about, and he's going to teach you everything that he knows. He's been doing this for a little while. He's already made money. He's already cashed out money and got money sent back to his bank account, his real life bank account, not the Earth 2 bank account, that he's made money off of it. So you can tell this is a real way of making actual money. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it to Manage the Product Creator or not.
You the man!
Seriously, you demand. I really am so excited about Earth 2. I love this platform. I think this has potential to make people so much money, especially if you get it on the ground floor, because Earth 2 is still not very well known. Certainly not the way Bitcoin is. And if you wait until it becomes as well known as Bitcoin, then you're going to end up paying $48,000 for a plot of land, just like you're paying $48,000 for one Bitcoin. So go ahead and grab this one. This one is so worth it. And I put my own money into this because I really believe in it. You're going to love this.